Hi, I think I have it. My last trials over the last 2 years, I think, I got finally solved most of the problems, if not all. And my last problems were some room noise. I didn't get rid of it. I can only use uh, a compressor, and the last problems were simply the speed of the gate going open as well as going to close. Mostly the close speed was the problem. You were hearing the room noise, or better, the video studio hardware. I did not get rid of it, and I can only use a compressor. Next thing I have solved is the video chat. That's now working well together with the video studio, so I can include video chats using Discord. So you, my visitors, can participate in making music or discussing software development or something else what you like to watch from me. And sound-wise, volume, the sound volume, the loudness wise, I've cranked up the music part slightly below my own voice, as I have tested out beforehand and have seen the levels in the ATEM Studio console or in the software, what dB levels are keeping displayed as a maximum level. So this is the test video from the noise. I have not closed my door to the video studio. I have only closed this part from the backdrop, so that most something of the sound is mitigated, but I can't really get rid of it. Now I want to demonstrate the sound while I am commenting something more. And I have mostly cranked up the sound. I got some little problems with clipping with this instrument, and I have reduced volumes from it. Not really, but I've reduced the amplifier, the input amplifier from the audio device, getting the sound from it. And while modifying this, I was able to get rid of the clipping of the sound device. And this is, yes, of course, a gain staging issue. If one of the stage is clipping, the rest is lost. So let's have a sound check. And before I got live, just some minutes before, I got a little mistake. I should never plug out the headphones from the control listening of the streaming monitor, because it has the sound as well from me speaking, and I can look at it. It is currently going to round about -5 dB. And if I control it on the master volume of the video mixer, it is about -6 dB, 0.47, and that is now corresponding to the level monitoring display. So if I see the levels here, they are the identical levels what I get from the master volume out of the Video Studio. And you hear, while I am speaking, still the noise, the room noise, or better the devices, the fan noise. This keyboard has a fan, and the PCs probably spin up the fans. This one is spinning up the fan, but it's only showing the YouTube chat window, and the most noise is coming from the Video Studio that I didn't get rid of it, so I still need to fix it, but not in this living room, not in this house. So now I want to show some of my song. It's still the same, but it would be interesting if you hear some clipping. I, in my opinion, have some points. One point, I think, where there is a clipping, and maybe someone hears it. That was me. So, just at the end, some loop, and then I got the loop as well muted. So there is some little white noise in the maybe the Behringer mixer, and I've leveled it a little bit down, but there's still some noise. But at the beginning of the song, there are, I think I have heard it actually 2 or 3 clipping points from the Nordstrom 3P. I need to reduce the sound a little bit, but I have no complaints anymore. There may be, of course, some clipping again if I have some more velocity of the MIDI notes playing, or several instruments if I change the program, maybe from the keyboard, this one, or anything else. The Behringer System 35 Plus is as well leveled at midpoint at 12 o'clock. The mixer, the Mackie mixer, is leveled at 12 o'clock, that I am monitoring in the control room. But the music-wise, audio-wise from the instruments, I've cranked it up fully. So there I have some possible ways to reduce the sound overall from the music playing. If I hear some clipping, I simply need to go down a bit and then yeah, there is some little clipping in the beginning. I think I need to record the song again. As well, I need to fix the audio recording levels for the Nordstrom 3P, because I've played with only these two channels, and for the sake of getting rid of the clipping, I needed to figure out which instrument is actually doing the clipping. So that's actually the most prominent instrument from loudness wise, getting near to clipping, but the remaining issues are now solved. What can I say to the video chat or to the chat elements I've included is I need to cut off the camera from the video chat itself. I just cut it off after. Because you see the loop I am creating, because I am filming now the output from the iPhone. I've just myself as a member of the participants listening at the chat, but nothing more. So if I need to talk to someone in the chat, I can switch between these views and I can go back shortly after. And if I'm back, I can activate the camera again to bring the video that I want to present, me and myself, with this screen. So that's all for today. I think also for this week, and I need to do a little bit of cleanup, bring down the backdrop, and I've done with it. I've done my best. That's it. Okay. I want to say goodbye.